Welcome to my video, guys. This is a video of a faulty MacBook Pro A1502 I purchased for £85 on eBay. As you can see, the postage price was £7 as well. Now when I did receive the MacBook, it was a bit dirty and it had various screws missing beneath the laptop. As you can see, the seller mentioned in his eBay auction that he'd not tried this laptop for a number of years and it's just been sat in his drawer and he just wants to get rid of it. When I did receive the laptop, it showed no sign of life whatsoever. Now I tried plugging in a MagSafe charger here to see if we can revive the laptop or if there's any indication of life. And when I did plug in the MagSafe charger, it was completely dead. There was nothing. As you can see, the light doesn't show up on the MagSafe charger to indicate it is charging. And there was me trying to bash the power button a few times, but we were getting no life. Then began to do a SMC reset to see if that brought this laptop to life. This failed, so I then began to take the back cover off of the MacBook to have a closer look inside and see what was going on, if there are any loose cables or anything I could see that would obviously stop this laptop from coming on. A closer look inside the laptop revealed that there was a lot of dust particles, something that looked like sawdust. At this point, I disconnected the battery so I could see what's inside the connectors and gave it a good thorough clean using pure alcohol and a toothbrush. As you can see below the case, there was some sticky residue, but there was no water damage indication on the mainboard itself, so none of the water damage indicators were triggered. So at this point I put the casing back on to give it another go. At this point I connected the MagSafe charger to the laptop and there was no sign of life. Again, the LED didn't illuminate on the charger to indicate that it's charging the MacBook. Tried a SMC reset again to no avail. close inspection of the MagSafe connector, it looked like there was a lot of dirt and debris built up. So what I did was I removed the back of the cover again, and I was going to remove the MagSafe connector and give it a good scrub down using pure alcohol. So carefully remove the LCD connector ribbon using a plastic pry tool. Then I start to remove the T5 screws that hold the connector in place. Connector was removed, I then got the pure alcohol solution and dabbed it on a toothbrush so we could give it a good clean here. After it was cleaned, I start to reassemble it again in the reverse order. So the moment of truth here, I connected the MagSafe charger and voila, it lit up. I turned the laptop on. It did take a while, but eventually it loaded the question mark symbol with a folder on, which indicates a missing operating system because it didn't have the SSD installed. I had an external hard drive with High Sierra already installed, so I wanted to boot up from this external drive to see if it would load up the operating system. Successfully loaded up High Sierra and I was able to log in at this point. I wanted to see the specifications of the MacBook and the cycle count of the battery, so went ahead and did this. Working MacBook A1502 for £85, with the exception of me buying a internal SSD, which would probably be about another £50 to £60. So please guys, like and subscribe this video. For more upcoming videos, please stay tuned.